if you're experiencing login errors on your Xbox, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to gaming in no time. Step 1. Check Xbox Live status. Visit the Xbox Live status page to see if there are any ongoing service outages or maintenance. If Xbox Live is down, you may need to wait until the service is restored. Step 2. Restart your console. Power off your Xbox completely by holding the power button for 10 seconds. Unplug it from the power source for a minute, then plug it back in and turn it on. This can resolve temporary glitches. Step 3. Verify your internet connection. Ensure that your Xbox is connected to the internet. Go to Settings, Network Settings, and test your network connection. If there are issues, troubleshoot your internet connection. Step 4. Check your account credentials. Make sure you are entering the correct email and password for your Xbox account. If you've forgotten your password, use the password recovery option to reset it. Step 5. Clear the cache. To clear the cache, hold the power button on your Xbox for 10 seconds to turn it off. Then, unplug the power cord and wait for 10 seconds before plugging it back in and turning it on. This can help fix login issues. If you follow these steps and still encounter problems, consider reaching out to Xbox support for further assistance. Happy gaming!